I recently took a phone call concerning a partition action, and part of the conversation was that the end result was that two of the three owners were going to be selling the property to a third party. That's part of the resolution. And then today, my office was contacted by existing clients, actually, at the tail end of a probate where one sibling is going to be buying out the other two. So, two different scenarios. Three family members own a property, and two of the three are selling to the third. So, the telephone calls were actually within 3 days of each other to conduct this type of sale. So we're selling like 2/3 of a property to one person that already owns a third. Not the craziest scenario, but the calls came within 3 days of each other. So it amazes me that when that happens, I'll get a fact pattern, two brothers and a sister, and a certain situation happened in the family, and then later that week I'll get sometimes the counterpart, two sisters and a brother with the same fact pattern, or the mirror fact pattern, just with a different family. And as much as people think that their situations are unique, their cases are different, really and truly, the family dynamics repeat themselves. And it's not the expression what goes around comes around, but it's in the wheel of life, we get to see all aspects of families, from arguing in family court over custody of children to arguing in Supreme Court over adult parents, the same parenting and visitation issues, to arguing in the surrogates court over deceased parents. And at that point, it's no longer visiting the person, right? It's dealing with the money. So if you have any of those needs, if you want to speak about your issue, please reach out. FrankBrunoLaw.com.